Hi, in this video we're going to look at MackinVia, one of our ebook providers. Mackin has generously given us thousands of titles for free through the end of December during this time of the pandemic and distance learning. So in the library group, so you're going to go to Groups, you're going to choose the Library and Research Center, and then on the left go to Resources, and then go to the orange eBooks folder. In there, you can scroll down to MackinVia, where the instructions for accessing MackinVia are. You click on the link here, so you can read the instructions. I'm going to go through the login. So the first thing you want to do, I'm going to click not your location. So the first thing you're going to do is type in Verdugo, and the school should come up, and you're going to select it as the school. And then we're going to type in our user ID and password, which are listed in Schoology. So, and then log in. Once you do that, you can access any of the ebooks. So one of the nice things about MackinVia is if you want to have literature circles, or if teachers want to assign a text maybe even for the whole class, everybody can access it with the general login. Once you're in MackinVia, you can just kind of skim through titles, but you see there's 5,000 titles. Usually people know what they want by, sometimes you can use all the filters here. I like this More filter. Because it allows me to, kind of go into some broad categories. You can see 8. So usually people know if they want a fiction book versus a nonfiction book, and then something that, is maybe a single user, text-to-speech, multi-user books, and so on. So let's say I'm looking for a fiction book, just some weekend pleasure reading. I click on that, and then I can see there's 805 titles. And again, I can browse through them, or I can start to use some of the other filters on the side. Of course, you can use the search if you're looking for a specific title. Once I find a book that I want to read, I can click, I can click Open It Now, and I'll just be able to read the book. There's a MackinVia app that you can use on any sort of e-device, as well as using the web browser, as I am here. And this allows you to go through the book and read the book. If you don't create your own account, so you can log in, and when you do that, you will be prompted to register if you don't have an account, or log in with your personal account if you create a personal account. When you do that, that does allow you to check out the book, to have more adjustment over how it looks on your screen. So do you want a single page, changing the font size and color? You can highlight, you can take notes, and you can, of course, bookmark your page so you know where you left off. If you have any more questions about using MackinVia or any of our other library resources, please email me through Schoology or the Verdugo Hills High School website.